Hey guys, what's up? This is Asilton Pereira and welcome back to another video. Those who aren't aware yet or haven't participated yet, we have a giveaway which is live on our channel. Do check the links in description to participate and win this amazing Bluetooth speaker. So our good folks at Pensol India had hosted a giveaway contest on Instagram and your boy won some goodies from them. The package was initially meant to have some products for my Domina, but here's what it came with instead: 1 liter semi-synthetic oil, some amount of front fork oil, a few stickers, keychain, and a letter. So well, the oil grade was different, quantity was less, in spite of providing all the details, so I decided let's try it in our vintage bike instead. So how about a quick wash? If you guys stay in Vasai, definitely get some premium treatment for your car or bike here. Address details in description. And finally, time to put in the 2040 grade semi-synthetic Pensol oil. Open the oil cap. As you see, it definitely needed an oil change. Gently open the drain bolt. That looks very bad. Make sure to check or top up or change your oil on regular intervals as it is really essential for the smooth operation of engine. Put back the drain bolt and gently tighten it. So use a torque wrench if available and refer user manual. And finally, pour the oil in. Make sure the oil capacity is as indicated in the user manual, nor less and definitely not more. Put back the oil cap and start the engine. Let it idle for about 5-10 minutes. Make sure to check the oil level. Simple, ain't it? To be honest with you guys, no, I had never heard about this brand before and so I won't comment on the quality as of now. But initially, the bike does feel smoother and the gear shifts feel great too. Stay tuned for the long-term review. So that's it for today. I hope you liked this video and learned a little bit from it. Don't forget to participate in the giveaway, like this video, comment your feedback and support me by subscribing to my channel.